Just going to do a quick little demo on how to change the combination meter ring colours on any Generation 5 Subaru Outback or a Generation 6 Subaru Liberty. So first of all, what we need to do is get the car into ACC mode, so just a double press of the button there. You can see the blue rings, classic, we've seen them all before. You're going to go into the buttons down here by your steering wheel to go through the menus, and you're going to go down until we get to the iSet menu. Press and hold the information button to get into the menu. There we go there. We're going to go down to combination metering illumination, hit enter. We're going to go down to metering illumination, hit enter. Oh, that's already on. Go back. And we're going to go down to illumination color selection. So go in there. We've got 10 different colors. So blue is number 1. We've got a cyan at 2, green, another green, sort of a dark cyan, purple, dark green, sort of another green, orange, purple, sort of a dark purple, and back to blue. So what I'm going to do, I am going to choose, let's see, you know what, I actually like purple. Let's go to purple. There we go. So I'll hit enter on that. Setting is complete. Just go back and go back through that back. And there we go. That's the way we want it set up. So now when we turn the car off, turn it back on, looks pretty. There you go. That's how you do it.